Welcome back to my channel. Hope this thing dey talk well. I'm going to make ginger juice today with fresh ginger. I got all of this for 500 and some. So this juice, well, I want to not put on for my hair for 3 days. So I'll give a day interval. I'll put today and I'll put tomorrow for 3 days. Because after I make my hair, the hair begin dey scratch me one kind. This thing I buy am 200 naira. This side they don't come out. This now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. This one na for carrot and cabbage. I dey use this one because I no dey one person like that one. You can get this in the market now 200 naira. I'll use the juice and this stuff. Before I dey get this in 2005, 2000 naira. But I sell am for promo 600. I carry it. So just great. Now here I go mix am inside this container. Then now here I go put the first and second day on, third day on. So let's put that here. This thing dey take, but it's good. I prefer this one to blending it because then you go need add water because of the ginger. No, you cannot use dry ginger. Oh, it's not the same thing. Use fresh ginger. And if you have dry ginger, maybe if you soak am for water, if you come back alive. If not, just go get fresh ginger. Ginger don't cheap well for market now. So I go grade them finish, come back. Oh, so see the one with me. I don't grate this one reach. This one's almost. I dey fear to grate my hand because I don't ever grate my hand before. I scratched my hand when I did grate it before, and it was really painful. So this one's I want to do ginger garlic paste for cooking. I will use them. So I'll keep them one side. See, Amadi. Better to use hand grater if you get that chopper. So long as you don't add water to it, please. Before I used to do this ginger juice. I did do ginger juice before, but I go leave them for my hair for 30 minutes. But because I did add this oil to run, I go leave them for at least 4 hours or even 6 hours. Let me see. This is always so satisfying to do. I don't know why they find them satisfying, sharp, but yeah. And the shelf, I go put them for zobo where they make. You can use coconut oil, olive oil. This is what I have, and this is what I'm using. I have coconut oil, but I want to use this one. I like this oil more. Like it more. And yeah, ginger stops dandruff if you use it properly. Don't overuse it or not overdo it. Like I said, I'll be leaving this in my hair for 4 hours. Because why? I dey add oil to am. If not just ordinary ginger juice without oil, 30 minutes, I don't come out of my head. 1 hour sometimes I dey come out of my head. I'm not sure I don't ever leave am for 2 hours. And please, before you use ginger juice on your hair, remember, if you are allergic to it, please do not use. Abeg. That's the first one. I need to wash my hair. Somewhere. My see if I make I come back and continue telling her the remaining one. Oh, so at the first I go waste time if I don't like this, but yeah, here goes nothing. All these goodies, we're gonna remove it. Like this now, I dey wish I get like 3 hand because this two and I can't do like see if I dey do video, not dey do enough. Osha, no na sweet I don't do it. I don't try with the two and go like it. Two hands, one heart. Make I wash my hand. One life to offer you, two hands, one heart. That's what I give to you. See my ginger juice for granted. You feel cleaner. You feel whatever and all take down. But this is what it looks like. Ginger juice. And I know it's all 500 naira ginger. Oh my, let's be that. Yeah. So this is it. This is what I have now. Yes, if you're allergic to ginger, please don't use this or this argan oil. Use what something else. I go measure this thing so. Don't use this sculpture for this syrup. There. Yeah. Yeah, no, Haka. They don't do me like this. I'll leave them for my hair for 4 to 5 hours or as a spirit leading. Turn, 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 turn. Just turn now. If you get applicator, if you use them. For me, na my hand I go use one. See my baby. 2 to 3 times in a week to stop the itchiness in my hair. And the hairstyle why I make am dey scratch me. So before I go use it, I go still shake am again. Now I shake am on us. Then I'll come share am for these rubbers there. This one I get them from one time when I buy ogiri, I dey always wash them keep because I think na 5 of this na be 500 for ogiri. I no even know how much dey dey sell. I think na three. Three of this 200 for ogiri. So I dey try shake them well. The oil go always dey on top but no one. See how food dey. This one I think I go refrigerate them or make them block because even too much for my hair. So I might end up using it for 2 weeks. This one save plenty for my hair. Once I plant my hair no dey plenty again. So this one's then go fridge. This one's I go use them for my hair. After which I go wash them. I'll wash my hair with conditioner, not shampoo. Now like this I dey use put am. I go come rub inside my hair. Before you use am abeg 2 days before you use this ginger juice on your hair, please don't touch your hair. Those of us wey like touch hair like me, make you no go scratch come wound yourself. This thing dey hot well well. E be like say you dey put menthol for head. So biko try to give your hair what's it called space. So don't touch your hair oh. No scratch and come get one come put am come say gift say make you use ginger juice say your hair dey scratch you. Omo the dance when you go dance no be here. If I put am for my hair, I'll come use this nylon. I no get that shower cap. I come use nylon cover my hair and my hair bonnet cover the hair. So yes, ginger juice for your hair and to stop it. It also grows your hair, but this one I'm doing this mainly for itchiness. You can still use this one for hair growth too. The same 2 3 times in a week. Do it for 2 weeks and rest. Do it for 2 weeks and rest. That's what me I advise. I don't go advise me do am all the time make your hair grow long. E dey cut hair if you overdo am. Just like clove dey cut hair if you overuse am. Na so this one too dey cut because this thing dey cause dryness. Dey make your hair dry. Oh yeah. Ngwanu bye.